What's the meaning of aloof? Aloof. 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 Aloof.
Aloof is an adjective that describes someone who is emotionally or physically distant, uninvolved, or detached from others. It can also refer to someone who maintains a sense of superiority or arrogance. This word suggests a sense of coolness or reserve that can be seen as either admirable or off-putting depending on the context. Being aloof can be a conscious choice or a natural disposition, and it can often result in a sense of isolation or detachment from social situations.